Hey, to link and use YouTube app on your PS5 Slim, first of all, we have to go to the media, so click R1 on your controller, and then we have to go into the all apps, and from here you have to just scroll down and basically locate the YouTube. So that's how it looks in my case. You have to click on it and basically download. In my case, it's already downloaded, so all I can do is just to click start. And now from here, you will open this application and you have to go into the left upper corner and open this sign in methods. So we got actually 3 methods. We can scan or type this code that appears right here. So we can scan it with your phone camera or go to this website and input this code. And the second one, you can use your remote. So basically input manually your mail address or phone number, and then after that go for the next and input your password. And the last method is to open the YouTube mobile application and basically be connected on your phone and the PlayStation to the same Wi-Fi network. And that's what I'm gonna do. For me, that's the easiest method. So grab your phone. In my case, it looks like this. And from here, we just have to open the YouTube application. We have to be connected to the same Wi-Fi network. And now we have to click simply on this icon. Then we have to select our PS5 how to. That's the name of my PlayStation actually. And now as you can see in the right upper corner, we've got information that we are actually connected with this PlayStation, right? So let's say that I want to play, for example, this video, and I have to click play button. And now I'm gonna cast this into my PS5 Slim. If you want to disconnect, you can just do this by tapping right here on this icon and tap to disconnect. And that's basically it. You can also go into the guest mode for sure. You don't have to log into your account. So yeah, that's all right now. Please subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.